Welcome to Things Fall Apart. Today we are going to see something which is very new, and this stuff it is called kite. Those people with 20 years, 10 years, it is new. It is something new in their ears. But this kite, it is made by three major components, and those components are polyethylene bag, soft wood, thread, also tape. Yes, here we go. He has started measurements of kite, then measurement of plastic and soft woods. Now he's tightening the plastic, and now it is already in the space. As we can see, it has also wing. It is said that this kite, it is an aeroplane. It is an advancement of a kite. Knowledge was inherited from there. That is the example how kite is made. So is tightening and making straight the kite. So tying the thread, and that thread it is tied in the middle. So this wind helps the kite to be kept in the space with also help of wings. Welcome to Things Fall Apart. Comment, like, share, and advise so that we can chat.